Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, our today's program is write a Python program that will accept the base and height of a triangle and compute its area. So let's get started. So what we have to do is basically we have to take the inputs from the user. So for that we'll first take variables. Let's say for breadth I'm taking variable b and then I'm taking input. As we have to take the input in the format integer, so first I'll write integers int and then input, and then I'll write the statement input the base of the triangle. So not breadth, base we are using over here. It will provide me the base. Then I take h for height, integer, input, input the height of the triangle. We'll take the height of the triangle. Now we have to create the area. We have to compute the area. So we create a variable in area that will be equals to base into height all divided by 2. That is the basic formula. This will create or compute the area and it will store the value inside the variable area. Now we'll print it. So print area of triangle S, and we'll just take the variable. So we are basically done. What we did is first in the variable b, that is for base, we took an input of the base and converted it into the integer format. Then we did the same with the height. We stored the value of the computation of the area inside the variable area, that is base into height divided by 2, which is the formula to compute area of a triangle, and then we print the area of a triangle using the variable area. So now we just have to run this program. You can see over here in the console window down over here, input the base of the triangle. So what base I'll take a base of 3 maybe, and I'll take the height of 4 and it will compute me 6. 3 into 4, that is 12, divided by 2, which gives me the answer 6. 6 is in the floating point area answer. So this is how we compute an area of a triangle. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.